In this video, I'll go over the parts needed to build an $800 gaming PC. First, with the CPU, I went with the AMD Ryzen 5 3600. This is a 6-core processor clocked at 3.6 GHz and it can boost up to 4.2 GHz. It is a really great processor not just for gaming but for video editing, streaming, and other CPU-heavy workloads that need the extra cores. And here are a number of benchmarks that show you just how good it is for a range of different tasks. For the motherboard, I picked the MSI B450 Tomahawk Max. So this is pretty much a go-to motherboard for a Ryzen 3rd gen build. It's compatible out of the box. The feature set is decent with a good number of ports and headers, with a decent build quality which should last a long time. However, if you plan on upgrading to next-gen Ryzen, I'd go with a B550 motherboard, which is a bit more expensive but will secure an upgrade path for you. As for the RAM, I went with 16GB Corsair Vengeance LPX RAM kit with 2GB RAM sticks, each at 3200 MHz. Just be sure to enable the XMP profile on your motherboard to get the most out of your RAM. For the graphics card, I chose the EVGA Nvidia GeForce GTX 1660 Super. For our budget, I wasn't able to go with a better performing card, but the 1660 Super delivers impressive performance at 1080p. Check out these benchmarks to get an idea of the frame rate you could achieve with this card. For storage, I picked a 1TB WD Blue hard drive and a 480GB inland SSD. For the case, really any case would do, but I went with the Cougar MX330G, which is an ATX mid-tower case with a nice side panel. It's cheap, but it will do the job. And finally, for the power supply, I went with a 600-watt EVGA power supply, which is really all you need, but if you have a bit more money, you could go with a modular PSU for better cable management. Overall, this is a pretty great balanced build that's great for gaming, streaming, and even video editing. That's it. Thanks for watching.